Crypto, crypto, crypto. What a time to be alive. The past few days we've seen some crazy prices from all the coins, especially Bitcoin. We've got to a brand new all-time high. What was it? 70,100 and like 80? Something like that. Yeah, so a couple of days ago we got there. It's been going absolutely parabolic. In terms of this, I was kind of expecting it to go down to around about 40,000, but it hasn't yet. Right now, the momentum is slowing down. When we get into these higher prices, people are going to be a little bit more dubious with the money they're putting in. If you look at the fear greed index, it's high. We're in extreme greed right now. People are buying, people have FOMO. They don't want to miss out on the next pump, on the next big thing. And you can kind of see that with the kind of coins which have been moving up. So if we go on to coin market cap, if we look at the meme coins, those ones, they've been shooting off ridiculously recently. Past 7 days, you look at this, the top hundreds, past 7 days, the biggest movers. We're getting some of them on 20x, Meme AI, Salama. Like, what is this? These crazy, silly coins. But the best way to find some of these is you just want to look at the ones which have been recently released. But there's so much going on in the crypto market. We'll touch on this in a separate video. But for this one, just kind of giving you a little bit of an update with everything that's going on. What are you doing? What are you doing with your portfolio? Are you rearranging your distribution so you have less Bitcoin and more altcoins? Because as you know, after Bitcoin moves, altcoins go. So right now, if we go on to the Bitcoin dominance, it's kind of slow. So if we look at the previous cycle, where was this? Back in 2021. So the end of 2020, after the halving, Bitcoin's dominance dropped because the altcoins took over, and then Bitcoin pumped back up, and then here. Yeah, it was going down, but that wasn't because Bitcoin was losing value. It was because the other coins, the other tokens, they were gaining popularity. So Bitcoin dropped 40% in its dominance. If Bitcoin drops another 40% in its dominance, we're going to be looking at, what's this? 30% of the overall market cap. So from 55%, so we're not even at all on the altcoin season. Bitcoin's still rising on its dominance. So if you want to be looking at the altcoins, what you're doing with your altcoins, now's the time to get into them while the prices haven't pumped too much. The only ones which have really pumped is Solana. Like, Solana's up 10x from the bottom of the market. So let's just go back onto the 4 hour here, and we're going to zoom back a little bit. So October was a bottom, but Solana actually bottomed in June. In October it wasn't as low, but in June, the June price of Solana literally a 10x from right now. If you're up 10x in Solana, big market cap coin, like if we go on to coin market cap, we look at, it's the fifth largest market cap. It has 64 billion. If you got in at 6 billion market cap, you could be up 10x. Like if we scroll down a little bit, what are some of the ones which have 6 billion market cap? Okay, Filecoin, Near Protocol, Litecoin, these have about 6 billion market cap. You can get into those and potentially get a 10x. Be careful though. You need to look at the overall circulating supply. So here, we look at the all-time graph. Top price of last cycle of Filecoin was $190. We look at the market cap. It was only 11 billion. Right now we're halfway there. Let's say the market cap goes back up to that, 12 billion. The price will go to 20. 20 is a long way off from there, and that's because we've only got a quarter of the overall supply circulating. So these are something you really need to consider. Deflationary tokens such as Ethereum and BNB, those are the ones which you want to be looking at if you want to play it safe in terms of the overall market cap. But there's so much opportunity. It's just about doing your research, and yeah.